Behold the 10 most beautiful animals in the world. Number 10. Glasswing butterfly. The glasswing butterfly is one of the most unique and extraordinary species in the world. Its distinctive transparent wings earned it a spot on the list of remarkable creatures. The wings are entirely see-through, except for a brown edge with a white stripe. This allows the butterfly to change its appearance depending on the environment, blending seamlessly with vegetation and distracting predators with its remarkable camouflage ability. Number 9. Siberian husky. Many people consider the Siberian husky to be one of the most beautiful dog breeds. Their bright blue eyes and smooth coat easily place them at the top of most lists. Huskies have a double coat, erect ears, and distinctive markings. They are extremely energetic and require plenty of exercise. At the same time, they can be quite stubborn and challenging to domesticate. Despite being highly intelligent, huskies are not easy to train, often ignoring their trainers' commands to follow their own instincts. However, these dogs possess a wonderful personality, making them truly unique companions. Number 8. White tern. The white tern, Giraffes alba, has pristine white feathers, a black beak, and large black eyes. Its wingspan ranges from 30 to 30 for inches 75 to 80 centimeters, and it is commonly found along the Pacific coastlines and on Indian Ocean islands, such as the Maldives and Seychelles. This is a long-lived bird, capable of living over 40 years. Unlike other terns, it does not build nests on the ground. In fact, the white tern does not construct nests at all. Instead, it lays a single egg on bare tree branches. Fortunately, the chicks have evolved strong feet that enable them to grip tightly onto the branches, ensuring their survival. Number 7. Arabian horse. The Arabian horse has been bred to showcase the most distinctive features. It is one of the most popular horse breeds worldwide and has been improved by crossbreeding with various other horse breeds, including thoroughbred racing horses. Its head is unmistakable, being short, concave, and elegant. Number 6. Mandarin fish. It is considered the most beautiful fish in the ocean. Although small, the mandarin fish is quite formidable because it can inject toxic mucus into its attacker when threatened. Mandarin fish contain 2 types of cells in their colorful epidermis. One type produces a thick mucus layer to protect it from environmental factors, while the other generates toxins to defend against predators. This toxic mucus is not only dangerous, but also has an unpleasant odor. Number 5. Beadlet anemone. This small, flower-like sea anemone is found from the United Kingdom to the Mediterranean and along the Atlantic coast of Africa. It has has a dark red body with 190 tentacles that are lighter red or even pink. These tentacles can retract completely, leaving red or orange spots. When the tentacles are extended, small blue beads can be seen just beneath them. These beads are called the choroidii and contain the unending stinging cells. Number 4. White peacock. The white peacock is a delicate bird. Although it lacks vibrant colors, it still possesses its own unique and stunning beauty. The white version of animals can be found in many species, but the white peacock remains one of the most striking among them. Number 3. White swan. Nothing is more beautiful than the sight of a family of white swans gliding gracefully across a pond or lake. The parent swans surround their cygnets, keeping them safe in the center. Number 2. White Bengal tiger. Undoubtedly, one of the most well-known animals in the world is the Bengal tiger. They are recognized as symbols of grandeur and strength. The white Bengal tiger, or those with the Bengal, are more ancestry, have pink noses, white fur, and stripes that can be black, gray, or chocolate. The eyes of a white Bengal tiger are typically blue, although they can also be green or amber. There are only a few hundred white Bengal tigers kept in captivity worldwide, with the number increasing each year. Number 1. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw is an exotic bird that lives in the tropical forests of South America. They belong to the Psittacidae family, one of the 3 true parrot types. Part of their beauty lies in the vibrant colors of their feathers: bright yellow, deep red, grass green, royal blue, and orange. While many people keep scarlet macaws as pets, they truly thrive in their natural environment. The scarlet macaw is a medium-sized bird, but it has large wings that draw attention when spread out. They are very social creatures, often living in groups, but they are perhaps most beautiful when soaring through the sky. It is truly captivating to see a flock of scarlet macaws in flight. They look like a rainbow painting in the sky, which is part of the reason they are considered one of the 10 most beautiful animals in the world. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.